Many of us struggle with common health issues such as poor digestion, bloating, discomfort after meals, and inflammation. And let's not forget about the constant battle to maintain a healthy weight. But what if a tiny seed could help solve these problems and many more? Chia seeds are a nutrient-packed superfood that could be the simple addition your meals and your health are missing. Chia seeds are known for their incredible nutrient density relative to their calorie content. Just 1 ounce, about 2 tablespoons of chia seeds contain 11 grams fiber, 4 grams protein, and nearly 5 grams omega-3 fatty acids. Minerals wise, 1 ounce contain 179 milligrams of calcium, 2.19 milligram of iron, 95 milligram of magnesium, 244 milligrams of phosphorus, 1.3 milligram of zinc, 13.9 microgram folate, and 0.771 milligram of manganese. All of this comes with just 137 calories and absolutely zero cholesterol, making chia seeds a great choice for those looking to boost their nutrient intake without consuming excessive calories. Chia seeds are high in both soluble and insoluble fiber, both of which aids in regulating blood sugar levels, promoting healthy gut bacteria, and supporting digestive health. It can also help you feel fuller for longer, making chia seeds an excellent choice for healthy weight management. Omega-3 fatty acids are another essential nutrient that can be tricky to get enough of, especially if you are not a fan of fish. Omega-3s are essential for heart health, and they have been shown to reduce inflammation and improve overall health. And the best part is chia seeds are a plant-based source of omega-3s, which makes them a great option for vegan and vegetarians. Another impressive benefit of chia seeds is their high antioxidant content. Antioxidants help protect your body against free radicals and oxidative stress, which can lower the risk of chronic diseases such as cancer, heart disease, and even Alzheimer's. By incorporating chia seeds into your diet, you are adding a layer of protection against these serious conditions. Chia seeds are an excellent source of protein, containing all 9 essential amino acids necessary for muscle growth and repair. For vegans and vegetarians, this makes chia seeds a valuable addition to your diet, providing much needed plant-based protein in an easy-to-use form. The benefits of chia seeds aren't just theoretical. A 2017 study published in the Journal of Nutrition and Metabolism showed that chia seeds can reduce blood pressure and improve cardiovascular health in patients with hypertension. One of the biggest misconceptions about chia seeds is that they are a quick fix for weight loss. But the truth is, relying solely on chia seeds to shed pounds can be a recipe for disaster. Chia seeds absorb liquid and expand in your stomach, which can lead to discomfort, bloating, and even dehydration if you're not careful. Another common misconception is that chia seeds are safe for everyone to consume. However, if you have a history of digestive issues or swallowing problems, chia seeds can be a serious hazard. Some people may also experience allergic reactions, so it's essential to start with a small amount and monitor your body's response. Quality control is another important factor. Be sure to choose chia seeds that are free from contaminants like heavy metals or pesticides. If you are on medications like blood thinners or diabetes meds, or if you have conditions like diverticulitis or thyroid issues, consult a healthcare professional before adding chia seeds to your diet. Pregnant or breastfeeding women should also approach with caution, as chia seeds may affect blood sugar levels or interact with certain medications. Athletes and those engaged in high-intensity exercise should also be cautious, as improper hydration with chia seeds can lead to electrolyte imbalances. That's it for today. If you found this video informative and want to dive deeper into holistic health, please subscribe to High Spirit Pharmacist for more valuable content. Until next time, take care, stay healthy, and stay high-spirited. I'll see you in the next video.